Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna see what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. I'm seeing are these new crew neck sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that ribbed neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve with that ribbed detail, ribbed wrists with the ribbed bottom. This is the small, so it is more of a relaxed fit. In the black, also comes in navy and burgundy, and they're going to be $18. Also new cardigans from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline, the gold buttons, it's a Fair Isle print with the ribbed bottom and ribbed wrists. Same kind of fit through the back. Comes in this green. We also saw it in that gray in the Free Assembly video, and they're $24. New longer length jackets from Time Entry. So these have that oversized collar, full button, the two flat pockets. Has the button on the wrist. As you could see, it scoops that longer length. And then seam detail in the back in the brown plaid. Also comes in this black, and they're $29.98. Also this new style of jacket. So this one has the smaller collar, full button, the two flat pockets, button on the wrist, scoop in the middle, and then the seam in the back. And this black, also this camel plaid, and they are $24.98. Also new print in the flannels from Time and True. So there's the classic like tartan plaid, has the smaller collar, full button, the one pocket, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. This one is $13.98. We also have a new red and black buffalo check, the green plaid, and then the pink, just like those dresses we saw in the previous video. New mock neck shimmer tanks from No Boundaries. So these have that higher neckline. It's a ribbed sweater material, shimmer through the front and racer back. In the black, also comes in red, and they're $8.98. Also new cargo wide leg twill pants from No Boundaries. So button, zipper, pork chop pocket, two flat pockets, and then elastic through the back with the flat pocket. So it comes in the gray, there's brown, this green color, and black, and they're $17.98. New Disney plush pullovers. So I showed the Mickey one. That one wasn't available online, and they might have popped up, but the Winnie the Pooh and the Stitch were both available online. So these have that quarter zip, the pocket, drop sleeve, banded wrist with the banded bottom, and this beige with the multi characters, and then the blue with the stitch, and these are only $12.98. Also new high neck sequin dresses from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, it's sleeveless, midi length, zipper in the back, and they're $34. Also new high neck sequin dresses from Scoop. So these have that mock neckline, it's a shorter sleeve, shorter through the front, it's a relaxed fit. This is the extra small, and it zips up the back, and they're going to be $34. Also new graphic sweatshirt. So this one has a crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back. That's the small, there's the large, so they're going to be oversized, and they are $14.98. The tag says Time and True. Also new crew neck sweaters from Time and True. So these have that ribbed neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, that same kind of relaxed fit through the back. In the red, green, there's navy, rust, and black, and they're $17.98. New color in the pull-on flared pants from Lace. So these have an elastic waistband, it's a thicker material, side pocket, they're nice and stretchy, it's a boot cut, it's a Glen plaid, the trouser back, and they're $29.98. Also new plush jackets from Lace. So these have a V neckline, the oversized tortoise buttons, two front pocket, relaxed to the wrist. This is the 2X, there's a 1X in the burgundy and the red, and they're $29.98. New mock neck sequin tops from No Boundaries. So these have that high neckline, it's fitted through the body, it's lined, so it's, you don't have to worry, it's not sheer. Sleeve is fitted through the wrist, and then it has a little keyhole in the back. In the black, also comes in the red, and they're $12.98. In the leggings, I'm seeing some new shiny ones. So these are from No Boundaries. It's a high-rise shine legging, fitted through the ankle in this gray color. These remind me of like the aloe leggings, and these are $8.98. New shimmer tanks from No Boundaries. So these have a thin strap. It's adjustable, has that cowl neckline, the ruching on the side, and then the square in the back, and it has the texture on the front and the back. Comes in the red, also in the ivory, has like a gold dot, and they are $8.98. New plush hooded jackets from No Boundaries. So this has a full zip, has the fleece trim with the hood, the 2 flat pockets, banded wrist with the button, and then hood in the back. In the pink plaid, and they're $16.98. Also new from Free Assembly are these tweed like blazers. It has that fringe neckline, the gold buttons, 2 flat pockets up above and down below. It's lined through the inside, has that relaxed wrist, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the black, also in that navy plaid. We saw dresses that match back to that, and these are $38. Also new Christmas onesie. So this is from the brand Blizzard Bay. It's $24.98. It has the buttons, banded wrist, jogger bottom, and then the hood in the back. How cute with the Santa hood. And then also new, this one's from Holiday Time. Has the zip, the plush hood, banded wrist, also the jogger bottom. Also comes in the red and black. We saw that before, and these are $22.98. Some more new Grinch sweaters. These have a crew neckline, the Fair Isle sleeve with the ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. They're $19.98. They also have this green one, also $19.98. And then a Hello Kitty has the crew neck, and that one's $19.98. This looks like it's yeah, 2XL. And then right next to it, I'm seeing a new Hello Kitty sweatshirt. So this has that fleece, the crew neckline, it lights up with the little lights in the tray, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. They are $18.98. New print in the Way to Celebrate Ugly Christmas sweater. This one has that crew neckline. Now they have this little Mary, has the ribbed wrist. These are $22.98. Also new long sleeve tees from Holiday Time. So this is that like French terry material. It's a drop sleeve, banded wrist, longer tunic length. Now in the red, ho ho ho, the Merry Christmas with the 25. These are $14.98. New slip dress from Free Assembly. So it has the thicker strap, that plunging V neckline, sleeveless, kind of flows out. In this new green, there's red and blue plaid. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $28. Also new jumpsuit from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, seam detailing at the waist. It's a wide leg, and that seam fit through the back. And they are going to be $44. Right next to that new drop tier dress from Scoop. So this one has that higher neckline. It's like a jacquard material. Has that drop tier with the tie in the back. And these are going to be $34. New mock neck sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline, the side seam detailing, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Now in the gray and black. We saw it in that navy print in the shopping for outfits, and they're $24. Also new skirt from Scoop. This one has that elastic waistband, trumpet style. It's a like charcoal, and they are $28. Next look, I'm gonna go with my favorite chap sweaters. These are in the men's section. I have this in the size small. It's still gonna be like a relaxed fit, but they're so nice for the price. Very comparable to the Ralph Lauren sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, embroidered stars. They actually made this blue a lot nicer. The one I have has like more of a brighter blue. And then the logo in the blue also comes in the gray. These are $25, or no, they're $20. New wide leg cargo jeans from No Boundaries. So these look like they're a high rise. They have the pork chop pocket with the slotted pocket. They're $16.98. New sweaters from Terran Sky. So this is their plus line. It has that crew neckline. They have the embroidered cheers. Has the ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. There's also Good Vibes Only in the purple with the chenille. There's with the beading Peace and Love. And the navy Out of Office. How cute. These are $19.98. They have the new package Joy Spun pajamas. So these are a hatchy material. They have that crew neckline with the little matching socks, and the red with the pink hearts and the pink socks for $14.98. Looks like it's a jogger pant. They also have gray with the penguins and the pink socks, and then green with the little dogs and the black socks. $14.98. Over here they have a new pink houndstooth. There's a star with the sky in black, tartan plaid with the red, black with the little red bows and red socks, blue with the ski people in the blue socks. New plush jackets from Reebok. So these have that mock neck, the embroidered patch drop sleeve ribbed wrist with the zippered pockets. Same kind of fit through the back. In the black, also comes in the ivory, and they are $39. Also in that plush material, I'm seeing two colors of the 11 sports jacket. So these have that mock neck, soft fleece, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist with the thumb hole, also the ribbed bottom with zippered pockets, hood in the back. In the black, also comes in ivory, and they are $48. Also have like placed around different Walmarts. I noticed these little licensed hoodies. So they have Spider-Man. There's Nightmare Before Christmas, Hello Kitty, and Stitch. I think these are $12. New prints in the plush hooded blankets from Joy Spun. These have that drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the side pocket with the slit on the side. Now in the bear print, also comes in this pink plaid. We saw that. We also saw the solid fuchsia, white. There's a black, a gray plaid, and then also the red and black buffalo check, and those are $17.98. Also new holiday time cardigan that hasn't been put out yet. Some new prints. So they have the longer length cardigan, has the peppermint buttons, the ribbed wrist. These are $22.98. The Santa with the tree. Also new slipper socks from No Boundaries. So this is a chenille material, plush on the inside. They're really soft. And the pink, there's more of like a knit. There's a blue, this multicolor. These are $8.97. And then they have this style. It has the gripper bottom with the ribbed ankle, like a sock style, $8.97. And the leopard, the white, there's a smiley face, blue, purple, leopard. And look at all the cute holiday socks. So these are from holiday time. They have the little gingerbreads. 3-pack is $3.97. There's a Hanukkah, the red Fair Isle, Hello Kitty, Stitch, Coca-Cola, Nightmare Before Christmas. There's another Hello Kitty, another Stitch, holiday time, the elf with the Santa. There's Peanuts, this little gnome, and those are all $3.97. And then down here are the little slipper socks with the deer, the Santa, the peppermint, or candy cane, Stitch, Frosty, Hello Kitty. How cute are these for $5.97? And then down here are the socks, the gripper bottom. There's a nutcracker, a raccoon, the Christmas trucks, Minnie, Peanut, Stitch, and Nightmare Before Christmas, and those are all $5.97. How cute are these new pointel tights? These are from Joy Spun. I'm only seeing them in this beige color. And what's this? Oh, it's the fleece line tights. It's a good price too. They're $5.97. So these look like you're just wearing stockings, but they're basically like pants. See how thick they are? In the men's section, how cute are these new hoodies? So they're button up with the 2 pockets, fleece hood, has a little bit of a drop sleeve, button on the wrist. This is the small, so it's still oversized. This No Boundaries for boys or guys or whatever. They do have extra small. So I would probably get this one. I'm usually like a small in time intro. So I get the extra small. That's teal and brown. They have the white and gray. That black plaid, these are $19.98. They're so soft. I love this, like a little tee and leggings. And also new in the men's, they have these the jackets from Athletic Work. So this is that track style. It's on trend. Has a side, the ribbed wrist, side pockets in the blue, white. There's black and gray. Those are $19.98. And here are the pants to match. They're $14.98. So these are really on trend. You just want to size down at least one because it's men's sizing. These have that elastic waistband, side pocket, fitted through the leg, $14.98 in all of the colors. There's this gray, the white, black, and blue. They also have in the men's pullovers, like the No Boundaries women ones, but they're also $10. They're more oversized, so there's the extra small, and they have that same detail, the kangaroo pocket. In the black, they have the camel and olive. Men's flannels are even cheaper now, down to $9.98. So I shared it in this one. I think I just got the small, so I sized down one, but usually I size down two to the extra small. They have the burgundy, the black and white, the red, green, a beige and white. On this side, there's the navy, another blue. I always love this with the light blue denim. And there's a black and gray, so really good for under 10. New Jessica Simpson bag. So these have that top zipper. It has this little Sherpa with the quilting on the side. They are, I think these are the same price as the non-Sherpa. And they also have it in this style. So from Jessica Simpson, that top flap with the Sherpa and cognac. It has a side pocket. These are $24. We have some new licensed hats and scarves. So Harry Potter, they got the beanie with the scarf. The Gryffindor, they also have Ravenclaw. This is the one that I got put in. They have Slytherin, and I don't see the Hufflepuff, but they do have Mickey. There's Hello Kitty, and they're all $15. New color in the loafers from MADDEN NYC. These have the round toe, chunky heel. They are going to be $24. I don't usually show blankets and stuff, but look how cute. They have an apple pie throw. This is from Magnificent. It's scent infused. And then they also have a cedar and pine scented, a candy cane. These are only $9.97. If you guys want to see gift videos, let me know what you're shopping for in the comments. Oh, look, hot cocoa in the blue. And then they also have this beige loafer from Time & True. This has the round toe, the silver hardware, and they are $22.98. Also new hiker boots from Time & True. So these have the round toe, chunky heel, that Sherpa trim, lace up. This is the only Walmart that I've seen these in. So they have the black, the beige, and they're $29.98. More new DEARFOAM slippers. They have Mama Claus. They have the rubber bottom. There's the cookie tester, the penguins, the snowman, and those are $14. In men's, they have Big Nick Energy, Tipsy and Bright, and it's lit. Also from DEARFOAM, they have these slippers. So these have the round toe, rubber bottom. They have the little reindeer. There's the penguins, snowmen, and the bears. And these are $18. They look like women's and men's sizing. New knit sneaker from AVIA. These have the round toe. It says air cushion midsole. It has a little pink air tube. These are $22.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.